In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import journals in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a batch of journal entries into Xero quickly and accurately, using Xero's built-in import tool and template. This is especially helpful if you're moving data from another system, posting month-end adjustments, or cleaning up multiple corrections at once. Before we start, make sure you have the right user permissions in Xero and that your chart of accounts is set up, because the import relies on valid account codes. From your Xero dashboard, open the accounting menu. This is where all the core bookkeeping tools live, and it's the quickest path to your journals. Select Manual Journals. That takes you to the area where you can view existing journals and create or import new ones. If you don't see this option, it usually means you need additional access from your Xero administrator. On the Manual Journals page, choose Import. This opens the import screen with everything you need in one place. First, download the template file. It's designed by Xero to prevent formatting issues, and it includes the exact columns the system expects, like the date, narration or description, account code, tax rate, and debit and credit amounts. Open the template and enter your data. Use valid account codes from your Xero chart. Keep dates in your organization's date format, and avoid currency symbols or special characters in amount fields. For each journal, make sure total debits equal total credits, and don't put both a debit and a credit on the same line. If you use tracking categories or tax rates, enter them exactly as they appear in Xero. It's a good idea to keep narrations clear and consistent so you can search and audit later. When your file is complete, save it to your computer. Back in Xero, select Browse, then choose the edited file you just saved. Confirm you've selected the correct file, especially if you maintain multiple versions. Finally, click Import. Xero will process the file and check for any issues. If there's a mismatch like an invalid account code or debits not equaling credits, you'll see prompts so you can correct the file and try again. When the import completes, scan the results on screen to confirm the totals and descriptions look right. That's it. Your journals are now in Xero, ready for reporting and reconciliation. If you found this helpful, keep the template as your master file for future imports to save time and stay consistent.